What was that?
Oh.
Gross.
Gross.
Your knees? You do that with your
Oh,
Sick.
nasty.
Mom, stop.
Listen. Oh, listen. Listen.
Sick.
Listen to
Oh, I
this.
just.
I can't do
Wait.
Oh.
Gross.
Listen.
Come on, everybody down.
Everybody listen.
Sometimes it's really loud. I can do it all the time. And sometimes
Everybody listen.
I know. Come on, yeah, no. Come on, light it.
Jim!
That doesn't work. You have to like.
You gotta have a really super duper.
Yeah, I know. Brandon and I tried it on missions.
I got you.
No, Kenneth.
It's a war. Wait, stop. Oh, cute mouth. Hey.
Oh, look at the little ones. It's like a little one.
Whoa. Come on, whoa.
Not all three of you. Sorry.
This is a pony horsey. Oh, I'm really close to it. Okay. There's another horsey. Just joking. It's cold out here. Horsey, run! Do this more. That was fun. Okay, go! Run! Run! Have David throw something at you. I'm interested in their little mouse. It's kind of neat.
Not quite yet. That is so cool. People go by and. Hey. Oh, I hope this is not hard.
One was carving the tree.
Here, Mom. Mom.
Thank you. I didn't say it to you.
Yeah, we're gonna wait for this to
Kenneth.
You're supposed
Funny.
to carve it.
I don't know anything about carving birds.
Dad, you carved the other one.
Yeah, everyone's in the picture.
Almost.
Almost.
Don't put me. Oh, wait. Let's see. No, Uncle Bed. Come in.
Oh, good. Yes.
You want the butter on the dish?
Yeah.
That one?
Can I just put these one?
Did you get that?
This? Jim bought it.
Oh.
He's the buyer of these things.
Now let's all together, let's sing.
Okay.
Happy Thanksgiving to you.
Yes. That's not here.
Happy
I'll
Thanksgiving.
let you guys sing.
I won't.
Join you. Happy
Look at it.
Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving.
Wow, and I forgot my video.
And that's okay.
Hi, everybody.
Let me see it.
Candace.
No, that's my camera and I don't want me on it.
Say I'm putting the ball back on with me.
Well, I don't know.
You see, I
Well,
know
that's what
how
you're
to
doing.
do it.
Come on, you know.
Let me see it.
You put me on the spot like that. Gee.
What the heck is going to do?
Ronnie did that.
So what happens if you have two cameras on you?
Whose chapstick is this?
Elizabeth?
Kenneth.
Don't kiss there.
Oh.
Sorry. Oh!
This is a big boat.
Hi.
Good morning.
Hi. I got you.
How are ya?
Yeah, but you can't take a picture of me because I have this. No. Thanks.
You're welcome.
Just shot the photo out of that deal.
Oh, thanks.
Hi.
Pictures.
That looks neat.
Get a picture of that guy.
I was gonna take my glasses off because now there's just gonna be two white.
It was.
That's better than red eye.
Hmm?
That's better than red eye.
Yeah,
Isn't it?
just
White eye.
white eye. No eye. Well, I gotta go to work now.
You're leaving, Jim?
I have to.
Jim, are you going to work? Or are you just getting away?
Oh, hi,
I'd
Ken.
ra-
She trying to record you?
No. If you.
Who's Robin?
I am.
Beginning.
Off. Turn it off.
Everybody's hitting you.
Well, Diana, because she's doing all the work. You just.
I am doing all the work, I promise. I keep on.
Elizabeth, that's.
I promise I keep on doing the work.
Diana, Elizabeth, push start.
Game over for
Your
me.
credits are already over.
It's my turn. It's my turn. I gotta play. I wanna play Batman Forever.
I'll play with you.
Oh, that looks so neat.
I'll play with you.
No, Diana. Diana.
How about you wanna don't you wanna play Super Nintendo, Dan? Let them play.
I don't want me on there. Is this only for?
No.
That's my camera, and I don't want me on there. I just have some brothers.
Your brother probably wants you on it.
Spend some time.
There, it's taping. I see that. That's why it's on you. What is that she's eating? Ooh, dark toast. Ooh, look at her pants. Aren't they cute? Woo! She is kind of weird.
Yes, darling? One of my sons is coming. What? Unlock the door, darling David. Philip, I shall be there to rescue you in a moment.
Haha. Okay. I wanted to get you freaking out that you can't find the turkey.
I didn't hide it very good. Andy! It's Haley. Ken, where are you? Who are you calling? Prissy?
Yeah.
She's calling Prissy.
I can't really tell though.
Well, it's starting to hail now.
Are you getting it, Jeff?
Yeah.
Priscilla's on the phone.
Hi, Prissy.
And it's like,
Can you get it though?
I'm getting it. There's.
it's like there. It's like all sunny and stuff. Like it's snowing.
It started as snow and now it's hail.
Oh,
Now
I
it's
guess
hail.
it's hail now. It started as snow, but it's hail now.
You have to look
Oh.
pretty hard.
Like,
I'll talk to her when you're done.
Mom says that she'll talk to you whenever.
Stop.
There was one night when Mom and I came home very late. Very late. And there was something looking at Mom. And I noticed that something. His eyes looked at me, and then we went inside. He was gonna attack Mom. Now we find that it attacked poor, innocent
clean it up too, Candy.
jackrabbit. Look at that blood. And the man that didn't believe that there was something after us. Didn't believe.
The bunny could have died and then something could have ate it.
Yes, but there was still something now, wasn't there?
Could have been Guy.
its tail?
No, it's just gonna be a shadow anyway.
No, you're on.
Just a shadow anyway. It's not. Okay, right. I'm gonna throw rocks and make lots of birds fly.
Okay.
So you want to zoom back as far as you can so you can see this little bird fly. Ready?
Yeah. Are any flying? Oh. Should we go up closer? Oh, there they are. Can't really tell in here though. Oh, they're there. Some of them. It wasn't as big as you expected.
IMAX theater.
Mm-hmm.
On our way home, they had things like that in the IMAX theater at the Grand Canyon. And there were people living there. Some places similar to that.
Yeah.
Area close behind this sign.
Wow, this goes pretty close.
Somebody else has stopped with that. I think they stopped though. I wish you'd stop.
Oh, it looks like I'm stopping to get the mail. I'm not. What? If I was gonna hit it?
No, I think you're going to ditches.
Did you? No, I won't do that.
You go beyond that.
It's all a bunch of rain. Wow. No. Rain, rain, rain. But it's not so bad. We'll go take a picture of Gramma now. Hey. This is my school report.
Dun.
I'm grade 12.
Oh, is that the gym one?
Grade 11. I've been in high school for only 3 years. This is because I was taking grade 9 in Calgary. Grade 9 in Calgary is junior high school, so actually I started high school in grade 10. My debut in high school was here at Mount Royal. As I go on to the real world, of bills, marriage, increased stress, and all of the other obstacles, there will be many things that I will miss. Also, of course, there will be many things that I won't miss. Many memorable things have happened to me while here at Mount Royal. As do most instances in life, my past years will have an influence on me on how I make decisions that will affect my whole life. It will also make me change my mind about future goals, short-term and long-term. In my 3 years at Mount Royal, there are many things that I've grown to like and dislike. I will miss some of these things, and others I won't. Waking up early in the morning has not always been one of my favorite things to do. I could handle getting up at 6 a.m. if I were getting paid for my day's work ahead. School to me, though, is just another obstacle of my daily rest. This is one thing I won't miss at all. Another
Jeez.
thing is the homework. The heating system in the school is no good either.
And what grade are you in?
I'm grade 12, I guess. finally, but most importantly, are the finals. I will not miss them at all.
Really?
I never have liked them and I never will. Now there are things that I will miss. I will miss the social activities at school and outside school. The intramural events were always fun, especially floor hockey, which was competitive and intense. I will miss all of my friends at school as well. As we go our separate ways and begin to lead our separate lives, I will miss the opportunity we had each day to talk. As I have said, there will be many things I will miss and many things that I won't miss. I always word it so much so I don't have to write, make up, you know, just waste. She wrote down wordy. As I leave the school, though, I'm sure I will shed a tear. I must have been going for marks for that one. There are many memorable things that have happened in my life, especially in the past 4 years for that matter. It's hard to pick out the four most memorable since all of my memories will have an effect on me. The first and most memorable is my coming to Saskatoon. I first came to Saskatoon on a bus, all alone by myself. My mother thought it was time I met my father. I wish she went out because I hate this place so much. I've learned from this 4 years. I haven't read this in a long time. I have learned from this 4-year experience that I do not want to be like my father when I get older.
That I don't?
Yeah. Another teacher must have been like, whoa. Another event that stands in my mind is my visit to see my mom in Seattle this summer. It was an eventful summer, as we did a little bit of traveling. My mom, sisters, and I were able to spend some valuable time together. We traveled through Washington, Oregon, California, Nevada, where my mom owns some land. I'll remember this because the trip, in my opinion, brought my
What's that?
Isn't that a sight? All the dams are different in their build-up.
They don't make them like this anymore. This was built a long time ago. I don't know where she's going. I think she's just stretching out her legs.